We are in the middle of nature. But look at here. These are city towers. Because here is Botanic Garden. Today was completely unplanned and my husband had some business nearby, so I tag along, and it's better than staying inside and come to Botanic Garden. But the weather is not cooperating with us. As you can see, it's a cloudy and windy, but yesterday was scorching hot and sunny. But yeah, today, as you can see, it's a little bit cold. This is the Melbourne weather. It's always crazy and unpredictable. But yeah, let's take this opportunity to walk along in this Botanic Garden. The Botanic Garden is just like a living museum. Every type of plants all around the world are collecting here. Different diversity are just living and meeting in this garden together. And it's really beautiful because it's not possible to see all of them in a real environment. In this diversity, it's a fantastic. The Botanic Garden has a lot of cozy area for sitting and, for example, reading and doing whatever you would like to do it into the nature. And this is one of them. It's a beautiful bench, and in front of that it's a small lake and with a bridge. And let me show you somewhere else. It's really beautiful. I spent some time there, so let me show you. This is the another spot. I love this area. It's very cozy in front of the lake, and it's a limited access for others. So you have spent some time for, I don't know, reading and doing whatever you want. I don't know, have you ever noticed about the details on the branches? Most of them are offered in a memory of loved one. I don't know, is it reserved or is just for the famous people or not? Or it is allowed for everyone? I don't have any idea about that, but it's very beautiful gesture to build up something for the stranger to take a rest. It's just like saying that, okay, have a good time, sit here and take a breeze and just relax with us. It's very nice work. Okay, here I believe is the entrance of the forest, because these artificial things is finished and you just go enter the nature. Okay, by watching this beautiful lake and the people pass by, I'm just keep thinking about something which is very challenging in my mind these days, and I would like to share my experience with you. And I would like to ask you, what is your perspective, what is your experience, and how do you face this challenge in your life? Because recently I'm keep thinking about that and I don't find any response yet. So recently I'm thinking about that, do I need to make a balance between what we love to do and what we have to do? Because most of us have some passionate in our life, such as, I don't know, cooking, such as I don't know, painting, drawing, filming, or whatever. And on the other side, we have to work from 9 to 5 and to make money in our life. So how to make this balance? Do we need to force ourselves to love our job, which is very difficult? And if you love your job, of course you are very happy and lucky. But if you don't, then what should you do? Hear some fork sound. or what should you do if you don't love your job? Do you need to make a balance? And how you should make a balance? Because the golden time of your day, it's spending to your working, and then after 5 p.m. do you have enough energy to follow your heart? It's very difficult. Or you can just thinking that, okay, at the weekend I can follow whatever I want. Okay, do you compare it 5 days to 2 days? And yeah, I would like to know your experience. Please put your response into the comments, and I would like to hear about you and reading all comments, and I would like to know your perspective about this idea. Thank you. Here is the arid garden. The collection of cactus are here. Let's see inside. Here is the recycled water. It's collected from the storm water in the sewage pipelines. So it's used for the gardening and watering the plants here. Look here, those guys are feeding the birds, and there is a little boat here. Where is it? There's a little boat here. And yeah, now it's time for resting, reading books, and relaxing a little bit. The weather has become a little bit better. And I hope you enjoyed this video. For more vlogs, please subscribe here. See you next. Bye.